I'm going to show you how easy it is to use Gallagher Bassett Technical Services online learning system. You can do this for a lot of the courses you need to stay in compliance, and it's super easy. Just take a look.
You're going to get an email, something like this one, that'll have a link that'll take you straight to our learning management system. If you don't have the email, no problem. Just go to gbtstraining.com/LMS or use this QR code. The course catalog will load for you. All you need to do is go up the top and click on Log In. You'll see a screen something like this. If you haven't signed up yet, click Sign Up Now. Or put in your username and password and click Log In. If you've forgotten your username, click here. When you sign up for a new account, you'll be asked to fill in some verification questions. Note that the answers that you give are case sensitive. Make sure that you write down the answers that you put in, because you will be asked these randomly during the course. This helps us satisfy New York City's active proctor requirement by verifying your identity and verifying that you're paying attention to the course. When they're asked, you'll be given 4 chances, and if you miss on all 4 chances, then you'll be locked out of the course. The next screen that loads is your online training center. Here you'll see messages about the courses that are upcoming. It may not look exactly like this. Click on My Courses to see the courses that you're registered for. Then, click on the course that you're interested in taking. You'll see an overview of all of the sections in each course. Click on Course Details to find out more. You'll see a screen something like this. If you don't see the Open Course button at the bottom, that's okay. Just scroll down a little bit and it'll show up. Click the Open Course button to open the course. When the course loads, you'll see a screen something like this. Each course can be a little bit different. There may be a play button at the lower left-hand corner of a course that you'll need to push in order to get the course to start. From there, you should be able to hear the course.
Welcome to the New York City Department of Buildings approved 4-hour fall prevention course. Click Start to begin.
If you don't hear the sound, that's okay. Just check the volume on your computer. Play through every part of this part of the course, and then you'll be able to go to the next part of the course, and so on and so on. Once a course has been completed, you can go back into the learning system, into My Transcript, to see the courses you've completed and get your certifications, even print your certificate right from this page. Click View Certifications or Print Page. If you want to print your certificate, click Print Page and you'll see it come up on the screen. It's a PDF that you can download and print.
Remember, if you have questions, shoot us an email at the address you see on your screen, lmssupport@tsctahelp.zendesk.com. Or call the number on your screen, 833-420-3774.